everybody, it's Grace from Grace's World, and today I'm going to be picking things for a fake fidget trading video. We're going to be like drafting fidgets. So I'm going to be trying to get new fidgets by trading with my friends and my brother Michael.
Hello.
But he only has 4 fidgets, so right now we're going to do a fake fidget trading video, and we're going to draft. But I'll put fake fidget trading in the like the DB, but I'll put real fidget trading in the title of the real video once he gets more fidgets. Since I have tons of fidgets, he has like a snapper, a blue poppet, a dimple spinner, and a mochi, and that's about it. All right, so hey, put that fidget back. All right, let's get started. I'm gonna pick first. I'm gonna pick the infinity cubes. I was gonna pick the DNA ball, but they're my 2 favorites.
Snapper.
Snapper?
This is my favorite fidget I have.
Really? Well, you only have like 5, I think. Oh no. What happened to the baseball puppet?
It's somewhere.
Alright, you lost it. Hey, I'll definitely warn you when we get it. Alright, I picked this DNA ball. Alright.
Dimple spinner.
A dimple spinner. I'm gonna pick this Disney puppet. And just so you know, guys,
Disco pop.
Friday we're leaving to go to Disney World. So I won't be posting any Dance Moms related video on my Dance Moms channel. It's not that. I will be posting some fidget videos probably, and some vlogs on my other channel. It's not that. So yeah, that's just a life update. Alright, so it's my turn to pick. I'm gonna pick a Slinky since I love Slinkies. Ooh, a dimple spinner. Alright.
Please don't pick it.
Where's that other dimple spinner? I know that there's another one. Here it is.
Oh, thank you.
A pop tube?
Yes,
I'm gonna pick
Let's
this.
go.
Mini puppet. I'm gonna pick a Tangle. I just got Tangles today and I love Tangles so much.
I don't really like them.
You don't?
In my opinion, it's just my opinion. People might disagree, but I think they're overrated.
I don't really think they are. So you picked a snake?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pick, where's the other snake? There it is. I have mini snakes. I'm gonna pick an Orbeez stress ball.
Let's go.
Rainbow poppet? Oh, you like rainbow poppet?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. I'm gonna pick some bike chains.
Oh. I'm gonna pick this fidget spinner.
I'm gonna pick this pea popper. Wait, I already got a fidget spinner. I have a dimple spinner and a fidget spinner. And you have
I have.
Alright, an Orbeez stress ball. I'm gonna get the other
Why
Orbeez
is there
stress
a
ball.
light on this?
Oh, I don't know. I accidentally got it on. No, I can't turn it off. Alright.
I go with.
Sorry, Infinity Cube is like an Infinity Cube fortune teller. It kind of is one. It's like, I think real Infinity Cubes are better. I'm gonna pick a.
Yeah.
I'm gonna pick this puzzle ball.
I'm gonna pick this basketball stress ball.
I don't really like them.
I would trade you something.
Oh, you sure? I would love that.
I'll trade you my.
What about? I'm gonna pick this Marvel Mesh. I really love that Marvel Mesh. I traded it with my friend Daniel to get it, and he has the channel Daniel Gump, so go subscribe to that. All right, Michael, you pick. All right.
I'm gonna pick the shark.
It's not really a fidget. I just put it in like a fidget. It is. It's just you can't really do anything much with it. It's just like kind of like a fidget toy thing. What should I pick? I'm gonna pick. What are you laughing at?
Nothing.
I'm gonna pick this blue mochi. Oh, I can
Jack.
Ooh, I'm gonna pick a monkey noodle. I love mini monkey noodles. They're so cool. Another monkey noodle. Interesting. I'm gonna pick this snail poppet.
Grace, is it what you do with monkey noodles?
Yeah, you can do a
what I
lot with
do
monkey
too.
noodles.
I'm doing crab poppet.
Ooh, crab poppet. That's a nice poppet.
No, it's not. It's not good.
I really like crab poppet.
It's hard to pop.
Well, the bad
The
side.
good
Alright.
side's good, but.
What should I pick? I'm gonna pick the. What should I pick? This is super hard. I think I'm gonna pick this bicycle chain.
Mochi.
I'm gonna pick this pop tube. It's kind of broken, but I still want a pop tube.
Wacky track.
Ooh, I love that
If you pick that little thing.
little thing. What do you mean?
Nothing.
I think I'm gonna pick koala bear toy.
Let's go.
Mochi? I'm gonna pick the other mochi.
No.
Why?
Nice. I'm gonna pick this basketball stress.
Hey, you picked the shark.
I have this shark.
No, you already have shark, Nico.
Oh.
I'm gonna pick another Tangle since I love Tangles. They're so fun.
Pick this monkey.
None of your fidgets are left, I don't think. That means this must be popular.
Yes, my
I'm gonna pick
snowball.
this. Oh yeah, that's mine, Michael. You gave that to me.
I didn't?
The dough ball.
Oh. Well, because I didn't want it.
Yeah. All right, your turn.
I want a needle.
Your turn.
I'll go with these.
I'm gonna pick this, dude. There's not many really much left. There's a plushie, some stress balls.
Pick this.
The dough ball? I thought you hated that.
I do, but...
I'm gonna pick this blue poppet. It has like one half a hole, like this. Like, see, this is kind of broken.
Broke it.
Yeah, definitely. No, Earl,
she took it.
was it Earl or Sammy? One of the dogs broke it. All right.
Basketball shoes, bro.
I'm
not taking any marble mash.
gonna take this. These aren't really fidgets, but it's like you can like move them around like this. It's a, I had beads, but I turned it into fidgets. A plushie. I won that at the boardwalk. And one time. I've been a couple different boardwalks, and I won that at one of them.
I know when I'm picking them.
I'm gonna pick this maze. I'm gonna pick a marble mesh.
Let's go.
Another marble mesh.
I hate you.
I'm gonna pick the Sharky.
No! You are so evil.
Alright. That is yellow. Yellow. Alright, guys, so this is what our piles look like for fake fidget trading. This isn't the fidget. Bye! Alright, we're gonna post a video of fake fidget trading. See you next time. Bye.